Hello everyone. User sign up with mobile number app helps user to sign up with a mobile number instead of email. Now let's see how it works. So for that we need to complete some configurations. So we need to get into the settings. Under general settings we can see the option name and customer account. Okay. From here we need to choose an free sign up option on the customer account. So once this is done, let me get into the form and to create a new account, that's to open a new account. So if the user haven't have no accounts, so we need to click on the don't have an account right away here. If user want to sign up with a mobile number, for that we need to click on the sign up with mobile number link. Okay, once this is done, user can manually select and select or change the country code from the drop down list. So let me select an country code. Okay, so once this is done, we can enter the other details in the sign up with the phone page. And also if the user entered an invalid number, okay, it will raise an message, validation message like this. And also user need to fill a sign up form with the written details of mobile number, name, password. After that we need to click on the sign up option. So let me do that now. Let me give a mobile number. Okay, and from here we need to give the name, and so from here we need to give the password. So once this is done, user needs to click on the sign up option for sign in. Okay, now you can see I am in the login of the user which I have created. Now we can see the same created user on the admin page as well. So let me get back to the mutual admin. Now let me get into the settings. Under user we can see and created user. So this is the one which we have created, and you can see by using that mobile number it will be used. That is, user is created as per the given mobile number with the other details. So once everything is done, we can log in with the phone, that is phone link. So let's see how we can do that. So let me get into the page that we have created. Let's log out this one. If user wants to log in with the mobile number, then they need to click on the login with mobile link. Okay, once this is done, if user already sign up with the mobile number, they can log in with the mobile number too. So let me log in using the mobile number. Okay, we need to give the correct code right away here. Right, we need to give the correct code. So once this is done, we need to give an mobile number, and from here we need to give the password as well. So in this way we can easily log in from here, from this user page itself. And like the same way, user can reset the password as well. So for that, let me refresh that, let me get it back. And from here we can see that is user can reset the password with the entered mobile number and an email address. So for that we need to get into an reset password page right away here, and from here we need to give an email ID. Okay, so and also from here we need to select the mobile number, the correct mobile number. We need to choose an code from here. Okay, so once this is done, we need to give the correct mobile number. So once this is completed, we need to click on the confirm option right away here. Once we have confirmed, we will get a message like an email has been sent with the credentials to reset your password. So we need to check your mail ID to reset the password. So in this way, user can sign up and log in with the mobile number. Thank you for watching.